Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about supplements on the market right now. Supplement's Berberine. If you're looking to boost your health regimen with a potent natural supplement, this might just be what you need. Let's start with why this particular Berberine stands out. It offers a remarkable 1,000 milligrams per serving, derived from a concentrated 5:1 extract of Berberis aristata root. This means you're getting a highly potent dose of 97% pure berberine HCl in each veggie capsule. Designed with your health in mind, these capsules are vegetarian-friendly and free from GMOs, gluten, dairy, and other allergens, ensuring you get pure, high-quality berberine without any unnecessary additives. Each bottle contains a generous supply of 300 capsules, offering up to a 150-day supply. Perfect for those looking to support their cardiovascular health, metabolism, and overall well-being. Deal Supplement rigorously tests each batch through third-party labs to ensure that every capsule meets their strict standards of purity and potency. This dedication to quality reassures you that you're getting a supplement you can trust. So, if you're ready to take your health to the next level with a trusted Berberine supplement, click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this is Carolina signing off from Product Critique.